Hi Bruce, just one more late addition. I found a better way of dealing with the corner if you were going to have shoe gliders. So shoe gliders straight through from the left, but in the corner having either flat shelves or a basket shelf. I've shown a basket shelf. I suspect a flat shelf is going to be a better option, and perhaps flat shelves all the way through. Although flat shelf there, basket shelf there would also work if you are persuaded by this idea of organising household cleaning products, etc. there. It makes the hanging into that corner, hanging into a corner is never particularly easy, but you can push those clothes out the way, you can push those clothes out the way and reach in and access that slightly difficult corner for, that can be off-season clothing. Deep 500mm shelves at the top, 400s at the bottom, just making this area slightly easier to manage. Okay, I think that shows some promise if you like the shoe gliders.